Now that we have the delete button already done, we need to add the functionality to this new button. But I'm going to actually do something, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this button because I want to show you actually how to actually add that button in to actually pull up a window to allow them to upload a file. So let's go ahead and go over to our Elements tab, and what we're going to search for is we're going to search for something called a modal. And let's go ahead and drag this modal window onto our div block here. And you can see that all of a sudden the screen kind of grayed out and you have a pop-up here. This is what a modal is. And what we're going to do here is we're going to modify this so that they can select the file that they want to upload and hit submit. Now, what we're going to do first though is let's go to this gear icon, and notice in our breadcrumb that modal is already selected, and that's going to give us this gear icon. And let's just go ahead and hide it for now. Let's just do a couple things to this button. So we don't really like it over here at the left, so let's go to make sure you have the paintbrush selected, and let's go to position and click on the float and clear button. Now here what we're going to do is we're going to actually float this to the right. There we go, that looks better. And then let's go ahead and change the name. We don't want it to say modal button. We actually want it to say new plus. And all you do is just double click with your left mouse button until you highlight all those words, and then simply type what you want it to say. So in this case we're going to say new, and then we're going to add a plus button, and that is how you actually get a modal window to pop up. But now we need to go into the window, so let's click on the button again. Now notice that we don't have a gear icon up here because we need to go down in our breadcrumbs here and click on modal so that we are actually selecting the higher up container and hit the gear icon, and this time let's change it to show. Perfect. Now that we have the modal, let's go ahead and start naming this. So we'll call this upload a new file, and we can get rid of the name and email, so I'm just going to select the entire block that's containing those. There we go. And let's go into our elements and let's search for a div block, and let's drag a div block in here. It's just going to give us a little bit of space. And then let's go back to our elements, and this time let's search for the word upload. And you can see that there's already a component here called file upload, and we're just going to drag that into that div block that we just created. Now upload the file, that might not cause them to actually do anything, so we need them to click here to upload this. So let's double click with our mouse button over the words upload file, and let's change that to click here to upload a file. There we go. That's telling them exactly what we want them to do. And now that's pretty much it, except we got to do our submit button here. So let's go ahead and first though, let me show you what this looks like before we work on the submit button. Let's go ahead and build this code, and then we're going to preview what it looks like. Okay, let's go over to our new button and let's left click that. And you can see how the entire screen kind of darkened out, and now we have a click here to upload a file. Now when they click here, notice what happens. It's actually going to open up a dialog window where they can actually browse their computer for the file that they want. So we're just going to select a file here, and normally after that we would hit submit, but of course since we pressed that button nothing actually happens. So that's what it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and program our submit button. Let's go ahead and close out of the preview. And let me talk to you for real quick about modal windows. So you can see how that grayed everything out and it popped up. Well, after we hit the submit button, we actually want to be able to close that window. And to do that, we have to create a variable. It's going to be a variable type of a checkbox. So it's going to be either true or false. So think of it this way. Do I want to show the modal box? Let's set that variable to true. If we don't want to show it, let's set that to false. And so let's go ahead and create that first. Let's go into our variables, and we're going to create a new app variable. And let's call this file upload show modal. And it's going to be of kind checkbox. And let's hit save. And we're going to use that in our next part here. And so let's go ahead and let's click the modal. So we get the whole wrapper here. And let's click the gear icon. Now, what we're going to do is we're actually going to bind that variable here. So normally you might think that you would pick show. However, with modals, it's just a little bit different. Actually, you're going to choose the binding under name. And we're going to search for our variable. So let's just type modal. And there it is. And let's hit OK. And now we have that variable attached to our modal. So now in our next step here, when we create the backend action that will actually upload the file, we can actually say to go ahead and set this variable to false so that that window goes away. Alright, and in our next video, we'll actually go ahead and show you how to program the submit button here.